Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and I'm in Chinatown in Los Angeles. Chinatown is just a 15-minute walk from Union Station in downtown Los Angeles. Chinatown Gate Monument, marking the entrance to Los Angeles Chinatown, is on the corner of North Broadway and Cesar Chavez Boulevard. Chinatown is a neighborhood in downtown Los Angeles, California that became a commercial center for Chinese and other Asian businesses in central Los Angeles in 1938. The area includes restaurants, shops, and art galleries, but also has a residential neighborhood with a low-income, aging population of about 20,000 residents. The original Chinatown developed in the late 19th century, but it was demolished to make room for Union Station, the city's major ground transportation center. A separate commercial center known as New Chinatown opened for business in 1938. Towards the end of North Broadway, you'll come upon this gym known as Central Plaza. It has a statue honoring Dr. Sun Yat-sen, the Chinese Revolution leader who is considered the founder of modern China. A 7-foot-tall statue of martial artist Bruce Lee was unveiled at Central Plaza on June 15, 2013. Bruce Lee, who once said, "If you love life, don't waste time, for time is what life is made up of." The Los Angeles Chinatown saw major development, especially as a tourist attraction throughout the 1930s, with the development of the Central Plaza. Central Plaza is a Hollywoodized version of Shanghai, containing names such as Bamboo Lane, Jinwei Lane, and Chungking Road. Chinatown was designed by Hollywood film set designer, and a Chinese movie prop was subsequently donated by film director Cecil B. DeMille to give Chinatown an exotic atmosphere. Chinatown has served as a setting for many Hollywood films. The conclusion of the film Chinatown was filmed on Spring Street. The movie Rush Hour was filmed on location in Chinatown. It is said that a stroll down Old Chinatown Plaza has many rewards, including recognizing many other locations that are used in filmmaking and television productions. The Central Plaza also has the Hop Sing Tong Society is situated in Central Plaza, as several other Chinese lodges are as well. While Central Plaza has its charm during the day, it really comes alive once the lights come on after sunset, as you are about to see. In the 1930s, under the efforts of Chinese-American community leader Peter Suhu Sr., this design and operational concept for a new Chinatown evolved through a collective community process, resulting in a blend of Chinese and American architecture. Central Plaza was the first part of New Chinatown to be constructed and dedicated in 1938. It is the only planned Chinatown in the entire U.S., as opposed to other cities where neighborhoods were organically formed as Chinese immigrants moved in. This heart of New Chinatown is officially called Central Plaza, but many refer to it, confusingly, as Old Chinatown, since this square is the oldest and most historic part of the entire neighborhood. The buildings inside Central Plaza, with their characteristic sloped roofs, carved wooden ornaments, and colorful facades, were inspired by the Hollywood version of Shanghai and designed by non-Chinese architects Earl Webster and Adrian Wilson. It was a precursor and inspiration to other themed shopping areas like Universal City Walk and Downtown Disney. The Central Plaza is the nucleus of Chinatown. And on sunny mornings, you can stroll through and see seniors playing Chinese chess and mahjong while they sip on tea and socialize. If you happen to be in Los Angeles during Chinese New Year or on the Autumn Moon Festival, Central Plaza hosts all types of traditional events from lion dances to lantern festivals. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. It will help the channel grow. And consider subscribing to the channel. I post a new video every week. Thank you so much for watching.